Hello travelers. In this video, I want to talk about cinnamon ice swirls. I brought this up with my fiance. I told her I got cinnamon ice swirls for us, and she died hysterically laughing, and she thought it was funny, and I had trouble explaining what it was, so I thought I'd make a video about it in dedication to you, baby. This is cinnamon ice swirls. Yes, it's really a cinnamon bun, but let's go further into this idea of, oh my god, look at these, delicious looking, right? Let's figure out what the hell was I trying to talk about. Sweet rolls, a cinnamon roll, also known as cinnamon bun, cinnamon swirl, huh? Yeah, oh my god, cinnamon, I'm the second one, cinnamon swirl, cinnamon Danish, and cinnamon snail. Jesus, have you ever had a cinnamon snail? I have not. Is a sweet roll commonly served in Northern Europe? Mainly in Nordic countries, but also in Austria and Germany, and North America. I'm like all those things. No wonder I like these things. Oh my god. Oh yeah, see? Place of origin, Sweden. These things are from Sweden, it says. Oh Jesus, yeah, and that's the ice. I was referring to icing. The cinnamon ice swirl. It's starting to make sense now the more I say it. I'll keep saying it. Region or state, Northern Europe. Oh my god. It's delicious. What's in this thing? Main ingredients. Flour, cinnamon. Oh, cinnamon's so good. Sugar's so good. Butter. Oh my god, all the things. Or any other solid fat. It's like all the things you're supposed to stay away from to be healthy, but guess what? Your body needs fat or you'll fucking die. Eat your flour, cinnamon, sugar, butter buns. Oh, they got the recipe and everything. I might go into this, actually. This isn't too... I think I can make... Oh my god. I could make my own cinnamon ice swirls. I've been buying them from the supermarket like an idiot. Let's get another one. Yep, that's the idea. This guy is not cheap out on the icing. That's what I like to see at the market. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that one takes the cake. Takes the bun. Wow, that's a good one. Fancy spoon, too. Nice spoon work. This is... This just makes me happy because it just has cinnamon buns. It's not really, but look, there is little cinnamon. They like dilute them. They chop them up and mineralize some, and they put them inside like frozen, like the blueberries or something. I don't know how it works. Oh, that's a good shot. Look at these. Give it back to me. Yeah, give it this one. This is like in. Look at that. That's pre-icing phase, right? These are like prehistoric cinnamon buns, like a different era. Oh, here, look. What is that? They innovated. These guys aren't afraid. I like this. They put like raisins with powdered sugar. Oh, now I'm gonna get... No, we're straying away. I don't want to go nutty. I'm allergic to peanuts, guys. I'm not going nutty. Oh, look at this one. It's a carousel. I could eat one and think that I'm at the fair. That's cool. Crisp the buns there, though, Chef Ramsay, right? He would flip out at that shit. Maybe that's supposed to be that way. And I don't know. What do I know? I just started reading about these things. Oh my god, they're real though, right? Have you guys had cinnamon buns lately? Do you make your own? Do you know someone who can make their own? Oh look, they don't mess around. They just dump the sauce on it, the maple syrup sauce. What's it? How do I make this thing? Let's go out on a nice note here with some information, right? Alright, combine the water and milk in a medium saucepan and warm over low heat until it's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, but no more than 110 degrees, it says. Remove from heat and sprinkle the yeast over the surface over the liquid. Okay. Sprinkle a pinch of sugar over the top and set aside without stirring. Don't stir it until foamy. About 5 minutes. Yeah, you just set your stopwatches and your cell phones and stuff. Whisk the butter, egg yolk, and vanilla. Yeah, that's vanilla in this, into the yeast mixture. They didn't say vanilla in eggs before. Oh, is this like how to make it? Yeah, whisk the butter, egg yolk, and vanilla into the yeast mixture. And there you go. And then you put it in the thing. And that's what we saw. We'll go back to the prehistoric picture. Where are you? I lost... Oh, that's a good one though, right? I lost my prehistoric picture. It's okay. We're back at the beginning, which is the end, and that's always a good sign. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring a ding my bell, baby. And I will see you in the next video. You're supposed to ring a ding ding my bell. That's